Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video, I am going to explain about how we are going to handle the file uploads in Cypress. So first of all, I am going to show the demo in WebDriver University website. Scroll down the file upload tab. Here you can see file upload. Click this box so you can see the file input. So first select the file which you want to upload. Here I am going to select the screenshot and submit. You can see the pop-up, success pop-up here. So in case if you didn't select the file and submit means at that point also you will see the pop-up with the failure message. So now we are going to see how we have to implement this in a Cypress. First of all, I am going to create a file called upload file.cy.js. Copy the values from the other files and paste here. And here we are going to give the exact description: test upload file. And this one is a demo. Next, I'm going to select the ID. So here I'm going to inspect. You can find the ID here. So copy the ID, paste it here. So here there is no slash. If we are going to use slash, then it represents the ID. Next, it will then navigate to the particular file upload page and go here. We are going to inspect this particular input. So inspect this and you will get the ID here also. Copy the ID and again use Cypress.get method with ID representation dot select file. So this with this command only we can select the file which are going to upload in the particular tag, and slash Cypress slash fixtures, and we have this data here. So slash select this data and we don't need the slash here, and the data has been uploaded. Next we have to click the button. There also we have to use get method dot click. Inspect the ID of this particular button. You can see the ID, submit button. So go to the get method ID, paste it here. Now the file will be success. Let's go to the Cypress spec file and select. We can check the results. Here close all those files, scroll down, upload file, select the spec file. You can see each step has been run one by one. Here you can see the file has been uploaded successfully and you can see the file here also. So now we have to check with assertions. For that, here I am going to use Cypress.on. This one is, and provide window alert. and here I'm going to provide one arrow function. This arrow function is going to return one value called str. Next I'm going to provide expect and the value which is thrown here. So here your file has been uploaded and str dot to dot equal and the value has been provided here. Now let's check in the Cypress. Here you can see the assertions the file has been succeed, and now I am going to check without this file upload. So I'm going to comment this particular command and this window button. Go to the front end Cypress, and here it is showing you need to select a file to upload. So Control C, copy and uncommand this. Instead of this upload, I'm going to provide you need to select a file to upload. Now we can go and check. We can see each step has been triggered, and here you can see the file has to be selected. So this particular test has been succeed here. So in this way you can check whether the file has been uploaded or not. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly on time.